Chicken up in there roasting. I couldn't find a damn turkey. Got the greens done. Baked macaroni about to go on. What's up, Baes? All right, rise and shine. Guess what we doing today? It's Thanksgiving weekend, and this is our first time doing Thanksgiving in Da Nang. So, and we don't know what ingredients they got here. Our friends from Two Mochas Abroad, they're gonna be joining us as well for this Thanksgiving. They link gonna be right here if you guys want to check them out. We supposed to be getting down, if y'all know, we are Southern, so it's greens, beans, potatoes, yams, chicken, corn, all that good stuff. You name it. So, babe, are you ready to go shopping?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna see if they got any of the ingredients that we are used to in the U.S. so we can get down for you guys tomorrow. So let's go, BAEs. Hey. Okay. Sit down. Come on. All right, you guys. We made it to Mega Mart, MM. If y'all can see it, it's always on Grab. So my friend, Two Mochas, they showed us this place. Let's go. Let's get us a basket.
Very lucky.
So we have Hi here at Mega Market. He's been helping us find all the pastas. You guys have to come to Mega Market. They have everything.
Yeah, thank you.
Everything. Let's go. All right. Look, hey, what's up, Baes? So we're gonna get the Tefal air fry. This is $1,290,000. So about 55 bucks for the air fry.
I ain't gonna lie. Why not spend that
Extra four for this big
this
joint.
joint right here, look, it got the temperature and everything on that oil.
Yeah, but it's just me and him, so that's the thing that we always have to calm down on.
I know, but also you want quality cooking though.
Yeah. You gonna fill up my kitchen counter like that?
No, I got kind of space. I got
3. So babe grabbed this oven for $3 million, and it has a rotisserie spinner on the inside and a dripper. It does look like this width is a little bit smaller than the other one that's over there. Let me double check. Another peek of how big this place is. This place is fucking huge. It's immaculate. We kind of low-key found the kitchen area first. We finally got our oven though, y'all. That was the biggest thing that we needed for Thanksgiving. Now on to see if we can find the food that we need. Yo, thank you so much, Two Mochas Abroad. You guys are hella awesome for showing us this place. The people out here are very, very friendly, and they're very nice. It's a different atmosphere than if we would go to Latte. But yeah, we got our oven, we got our chickens, we got our macaroni, we got our greens. Y'all, they showed freaking collard greens. I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but I got 6 packs for now. Y'all know who's gonna be filling those. Not me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of them. It's 6 people. No, it's 5 people. So I hope this is gonna be enough collard greens. But we're gonna find out and see. If it's not enough, we'll come back tomorrow in the morning to go grab some after we pick them, and we'll figure it out. So $6.09. Oh my God, look at that. Rice pots. Blender. You only found one oven? At least you found one. I must walk right past it. Are these ovens? Nope. Steamers, yep. Alright, we still on the hunt for an oven, you guys. They got it in here. I know they got it in here. Look. Yo, y'all. $8.19 for a motherfucking halal tomahawk, bro. Yo, y'all made me want to get this for Thanksgiving. Like, do you see this? A Wagyu brisket that he can cut into steaks, all, and it's $1,590,000, bro, per pound. That's what I see. So 3 pounds, $3 million for that big ass thing right there, yo. That is nice. And then the ribs. Okay, let me go find us a burger. 2 chickens checked. One frozen, one unthawed. This is gonna be good. Okay. We got the cheese for the macaroni, butter, got the oven. So now it's time for us to get the sides. And yeah, we'll be back. All right, you guys, we made it back almost in the nick of time. I don't know how we did it. Like I said, we left out probably about 3 o'clock, 2:50. It is almost 6. They had mother collard greens, y'all.
No, mustard.
No, these are collard. The mustards I didn't grab. So these are collard greens and pineapples, vegetables, LED lights, onions, noodles, some cupcakes. Girl had to get a blow dryer. This is the main thing that we went there for. Moon Collection Gusni. I think that's how you spell it. I mean, say the end of it. Air fryer oven. We ain't never had one of those. I know I know an oven, but an air fryer oven. Bro, you gonna be able to do that? We gonna see. Got some pillows, decor, carpet, some plates and stuff like that. We end up spending about 13 million, which is about approximately 490. Yeah, $500 exactly. So you guys, we are not done. This is the beginning of this journey. We got to get all this food up, get this air fryer hooked up, and let's have Thanksgiving together. Let's go, BAEs. All right, your girl's still not even dressed. I still haven't went to sleep, you guys, and still up cooking. We got the chicken up in there roasting. I couldn't find a damn turkey. Got the greens done. Baked macaroni about to go on. Y'all see that ham though? Oh my God, it's so good. Then sweet potatoes. Come on. Ooh, pick it up. And we're about to get to this macaroni and cheese, y'all. Let me get focused, and it's time to bang. All right, y'all. Y'all gotta see this. What? I look crazy as hell. Oh, look at that.
He plays the guitar too?
Say hey to Mocha's the bride. Yes. This looks gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's a beautiful evening. That's beautiful. Yeah, I said we can just walk right to it. It is gorgeous.
I've been guilty. I've been drinking beer too.
Hey.
I'm a whole new.
Hey, sis. Hey, sis.
That change makes you stay dating here.
She over there. Oh, they right here, girl.
Oh, I can't get no more sit-ups. I can't get no more.
I'm so sorry, honey. Over there looking beautiful.
Hey, yo, you get like your nerves start twisting.
Let me warm these parents up. I know. Make a plate and warm them up. Beautiful time, y'all. What the fuck? Yes, a special say, Drew.
Huh?
Don't you say these nuts, I swear to God.
I should give me some tips.
He said, give me some tips. Yeah. You got a smart ass mouth,
I'm so glad my family came through. I fucking love this people right here. This is how we met. All Pattaya people right here in Da Nang. And we still kicking it, baby. Let's go.
Yes, Baes. Hey, so we just had a wonderful Thanksgiving last night. I didn't get much on camera because, you know, sometimes you just gotta have them personal moments, but the food was fucking fire. We're on our way to Chops. If y'all know, we was in Hanoi. They had a Chops up there, #1 burger in Vietnam. It's still our #1 burger here in Vietnam. I did not know, fun fact, they even have one that's in Hoi An, Da Nang. Yes, and I think it's also one down in Saigon. But we about to check out the one here in Da Nang with you guys. So let's go. Rise and shine. Hey.
Got Chops, Da Nang, baby. This is my boy right here, V. And I'm telling you, best burger ever. Come here, check it out.
You won't be disappointed. Let's go,
babe. I got like a very handsome through and east side. I love them a lot, guys.
Thank you so much.
We got Chops, baby. We found it. Oh,
they got one
of my
here
favorite
in Da Nang.
burgers in Vietnam, and I'm about to see if it's gonna be my favorite burgers in Da Nang. When we were in Hanoi, it was one of the best things I ever had. So let's check it out, baby.
Let's check it out. We almost went every day. Put up the Christmas tree. Yeah, this is what I usually get. You get a triple. I'm about to get. I'm gonna get the smash. Let's see what we doing. Oh my God. Oh, I know this is gonna be true. Y'all see that, baby? Now this is just one of my favorite spots, so y'all see why this one's different out there. It's so much, it's sweeter and everything.
Yeah.
Well, that looks good. That's like a Coke.
Yo, I'm telling you, like, this is one of my favorite places to eat. Where you did have to go to Cali.
We got it.
Now we have one in Hanoi. This one is the name.
Yep.
I'm gonna check it out. I'm telling you, I already know what the quality is.
Mm-hmm.
So let's get it, baby.
Let's get it, babe. Yeah. He got a he both got 2 milkshakes.
I got the triple though.
He got the triple.
Y'all see this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Come on now. Would
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
No, I usually don't do this, but unless you.
Unless you. Unless you. Okay, y'all. This time, I'm gonna bite mine first before I put anything on that.
I'm gonna
Y'all
get
see
my
how
fries.
pretty this
Yeah.
is? Yeah, guys, that's right here. Y'all see how pretty that is? Oh. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. Here we go.
They got the salt and pepper all in my
All right, y'all.
Oh,
Oh, man.
that's delicious. That's delicious. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. This is the Oreo milkshake right here, y'all.
Oh my God.
Look at that. You excited?
That's crazy.
Mmm.
I can't believe the cake.
Real taste like.
That's my whole cake. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, it's super, super good.
Mm.
Tastes exactly like Oreo. It's super rich. It's creamy. It's
The chocolate on the
That's
side.
really good.
Yeah, okay, hold on. The chocolate on the side of that. Okay.
You know, like the decor, the chocolate on the side of the cup, bro.
Mm-hmm. Cream cheese.
And it's a nice dark chocolate too on the outside.
That's good.
This is super good. I'm telling you. And if you know, you know. This always goes well with a milkshake.
You got it. Mm-hmm.
Dump that fry in there, baby.
Okay. I remember that. Put it in.
Perfect mix between salt and sweet.
Mm-hmm. That was pretty. You take that off the cake on up. Mm-hmm. I'm not mad one bit, y'all. To have Thanksgiving the day before and then eat this. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Finish this up. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Oh my.
Yo,
Oh my.
it's the Oreo. And it's the banana, y'all.
You gotta taste
Go.
it. Oh. Oh, you can smell it from
Yo,
here.
this looks delicious. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah.
That tastes like a banana split, y'all.
We didn't
Real
have banana
talk.
pudding yesterday, remember?
That tastes like a banana split.
No banana split.
Baby, check it out.
Oh my God, it do taste like banana split. We got the peanuts in there and everything. Okay. Oh, I actually like this one. This is my favorite.
Now I
This
got
is
it.
good.
Do the safe test though.
the caramel and everything.
Get that in there. Oh, banana.
Banana.
Oh my God.
It's so good. It's
Even
caramelized.
crispy.
Yeah. It's caramelized. Oh, wow. French fries like a funnel cake. Oh my God. That one. He gonna have to figure out how to make this, y'all, because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous right there.
That is so good.
So we just walking the burger off. It was amazing.
Cheeseburger.
He had a triple cheeseburger, I had a regular smash.
Double.
It was 10 out of 10. Like he said, if you haven't seen our last video, Chops is actually one of their, they have multiple locations here in Vietnam. It is the best burger here in Vietnam.
Yeah, it's about as close as you can get to a real smash burger.
Yeah. We, since settling down here now, we're still getting coped with being here, but so far we're here in rainy season. But the last few days, we actually been having some great, it's winter time. We've been having some decent weather. Right now, I can say it's probably about 75 degrees right now. It's not too bad. Got on pants.
She ain't got a sweater though, y'all.
I am Superman, I don't have a
Shirt off
sweater.
my back though, you know, I
He gonna be cut. Oh no.
I wear a tank top.
Oh, he'll need to be out here to take off showing all these goodies. We got a tattoo shop.
All I want is a pool table, y'all.
He ain't gonna find that pool table right now. We been walking for a while. Nice. It's okay. Oh, they look nice and clean. So.
He got a pool table.
Hey, wow. Are you serious? We almost up at Vernal. That street up there ain't gonna be taking us to Vernal.
Yep.
What? By walking randomly. Oh, this is a cute little street we just came up on, you guys. Like it's tattoos, a lot of massage spots. This is cute. Hi. Oh, they ain't got no privacy on their balcony. Mm-hmm. These are nice. Just doing a little walk around, you guys. This is cute. This look like there's one little area that's downtown. It's so quiet over here. And the stone sidewalk, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, that's super nice.
It's giving vibes. Recap from last night. It was such a wonderful time we spent with friends that became family now, you know. We can't wait to do so much more with them as well. Just had such an awesome, lovely time. Enjoyed ourselves for sure.
Yeah, there's a Bay family growing, y'all.
Yeah, BAEs, babies. But yeah, we just out having a calm day, just chilling. Not much actually scheduled or planned. We finally moved into our condo. We getting settled in still, so yeah. Good. Pool table right there, yeah. This is a cute little new place. It's nice. He been looking for a pool table for a minute, y'all. He can't find a pool table. They're not everywhere. And the one he found was already taken.